Hi viewers, good morning. This is KM, and right now my strategy I have changed a little bit. So mostly I am focusing on passive income. So in this stream, I would like to introduce one great agri scientist who is going to start his journey with us. Technically speaking, I am from zoology background. He is from botany background, and he has done wonders in his field. And so he is supporting farmers like anything. So we are entering into agri business, and some people they not like to say business. Business is always good. So every business is good, and we are trying to support small and medium entrepreneurs to go to their next level. So we are providing extraordinary trainings, and we are starting our journey. And now I would like to introduce our chief scientist, agri scientist, Dr. Arumugam sir.
Hi sir. Hi. Good morning.
And so we are going to start because we are going with a long-term relationship, that to business relationship.
Yes sir.
And I am expecting journey for coming 20 years with you.
Really, yeah.
And then because I want to make little official formalities, and this video will be there forever in our YouTube channel.
Really?
At the same time, we are officially, because we have started our journey earlier, but in terms of business, we are starting with 1:1 profit sharing. We are starting, and I am expecting and requesting to read and sign.
Yeah, you have rights. No problem.
See, okay, from my end, I am also putting signature, and this is simply I want to read for audience sir, in your presence. So investment and marketing is the responsibility of KMB Enterprises, and research and development, which is your lovable subject,
that's our core subject.
expertise.
Core
So
subject.
that is your responsibility. Whatever we get a profit after removing all expenditure, we will share 50%, 50%.
Okay sir.
It is 100 rupees, 50 rupees for you, 50 rupees. If it is 5 lakhs, 2.5 lakhs to you, 2.5 lakhs. But I want to support from my heart to all my trainees. This is my objective. So,
Surely sir.
okay.
Surely we will maintain. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.